Because as far as I'm concerned, who's supposed to be speaking out is not speaking out, you know. Spice, you is one of them a cartel boss. Yes, you are, and it's the thing, that's the thing about me and you, you know, your dirty ways. When you speak, you now speak out. You know what it's like to have an emergency need. Because the other day, a helicopter fly you from Dominica to Miami when you was at Death's Gate. And now the man where warm up the doors and bust you in the industry. Why don't you use your platform and call upon Jamaica? Or since as you a blood clot big, that's you even chosen for Grammy. Get the Prime Minister number and call him up.
Yes. So what I don't know, Shower Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Yeah, on today's episode of Negus Speak, we have one here, Amari, aka DJ Mona Lisa, bashing Spice and Andrew Holness, you see me? Defending VYBZ KARTEL in the process. So what else I got dive in our share for saying a long chatting, we're gonna dive in our share and dissect it piece by piece. You understand what I say, people? Alright, so let's go now. Amari, what you have to say?
A message to Andrew Holness. Yes, sir.
Andrew Holness. Yo, that video so like it's like a funny, brother. Alright, no more, no long talking, no joking thing. You see me? We could just Alright, let's go. I'll pull it up back.
A message to Andrew Holness. Yes, sir. The last time, Mr. Holness, during the pandemic, you remember the Jamaicans that were working on the ship, sir, that landed in Jamaica, and you would not allow them to get off the ship to go home. Them have to turn back the ship.
Yeah, I remember.
I spoke up against it and got Claude Mills involved. We interviewed the people and we came down on you very hard and make sure said the people them could come home, go home. How the fuck ship fi land in Jamaica? And you said Jamaicans can't come off of the ship. Well, that was where you started your fuckery, Mr. Holness.
Pause it right there, sir. Real talk, not even 1 minute in, 55 seconds in, and she attacked some real facts. Even I, someone who wasn't affected by Andrew Holness ruling, I saw it and it was distasteful, it was disrespectful to all of the Jamaicans because the Jamaicans them couldn't come home, but you have Americans, we are benefiting the tourism, right? I don't know what I'm going to do the quotation thing for, but Uno make Americans, Andrew Holness make Americans come to Jamaica, then, while the Jamaicans them couldn't come home. Why not? Make them come in and give them quarantine. Eh? So I took it up on myself because I don't like how Andrew Holness deal with the Jamaican people. I myself, me write a sign, say Andrew Holness love tourists more than Jamaican. And you know what I do with that sign there? I take a picture and post it on Instagram because I have influence and people need to see what's going on. Even though it's a big thing at Jamaica, all Jamaicans are affected, but the Jamaican them are worldwide. We need to see how Andrew Holness deal with the country. Mona Lisa, I first thing you talk with sense. Go continue real quick.
Then you decide to get back at me. So you wait till me reach Jamaica. And when me see the so-called delegates will come to lock me up.
Delegate? The
so-called superior people when I send a Jamaica to lock me up. I 3 times in a pull GUN for me in the 1 day.
What you say?
Little Amari. 3 times the man put in GUN for me. Just because I said to him, if you're saying that I should have on a mask, shouldn't you have on a mask too, sir?
Ooh.
You get what I mean?
Ooh.
But you know why they were so bold? Because they were instructed to treat me that way because you malice me from me talk out against you on Facebook.
What you not say?
I don't respect you, especially being that Vybz Kartel is in jail and you have a nurse to go home at your yard and yam dinner at night time and go at your blood clot bed.
Facts.
You understand? And your honest, the world is watching and see what is going on with Mr. Kartel. We are watching.
Yeah.
And I'm going to see what the pum-pum clot you're going to do about it. But if Vybz Kartel should die in jail, woe be unto your blue clot.
Pause that real quick. Listen to me. Vybz Kartel is in some very serious situation right now. He's in a very serious situation health-wise, and his human rights are being violated right now. So according to The Observer, right, Vybz Kartel, the incarcerated dancehall star, is suffering from an autoimmune disorder known as Graves' disease, which coupled with 2 alleged heart conditions make his present situation life-threatening. Vybz Kartel is on the brink of death. He has 2 serious illnesses. He have 2 heart problems, Zin, 1 heart, 2 problem, right? Human rights being violated. He's not getting adequate medical care. And this is why Mona Lisa, aka Amari, is here speaking up for Vybz Kartel. And Mama, respect that. Because even though he's a convicted felon, him still have rights. It's a right to adequate health care. Vybz Kartel have Graves' disease, right? The man have Graves' disease. Now, according to Mayo Clinic, Graves' disease is an autoimmune disorder that results in overproduction of thyroid hormones, hypothyroidism. Although a number of disorders may result in hyperthyroidism, Graves' disease is the common cause. You know, Graves' disease is something like when them thyroid thing and people here them pole coats. Yeah, man, a thyroid that. Thyroid hormones affect many body systems, so signs and symptoms of Graves' disease can be wide-ranging. Although Graves' disease may affect anyone, it's more common among women and in people younger than age 40. The primary treatment goals are to reduce the amount of thyroid hormones that the body produces and lessen the severity of symptoms. Vybz Kartel, his human rights are being violated each and every day that he doesn't get medical care. Let's continue.
Because you know, if you know if certain people are enemy, you know, you can tell by their actions.
True.
Why these people in government call on artists to give them dub plates. You know, Kamar McGregor, you know, now me really understand the song where y'all give me for singing now. You give these people, you call on the artists them. When me do Nico, you know, call on me for a Nico dub plate. When you not run election, you know, call upon the artists them. Why the artists them can't call upon, you know?
That's true. Ooh.
The man have been in jail for all this time for a crime that he say he have not committed. And you know, have him there. Till it just seem like a personal thing. But let the law deal with that.
Yeah.
But it is international news right now that Vybz Kartel is sick.
Definitely.
And you're honest, what are you going to do about it?
Pause that real quick. You hear what she said? When at election time, the politician them call upon the artist them. But when the artist them in a trouble, the artist them cannot call upon the politician them for no farmer help. Andrew Holness, you know it's a human right violation for Vybz Kartel to not get adequate health care. Are you crazy, fam? Are you crazy? Eh? Champion, me are the champion, boy. You come out to the clerks. I try to appeal to the Jamaican public with the same decadence you uptown people dislike. Eh? Champion, me are the champion, boy. Clark boots. Eh? Clark boots. Any man who used to wear Clark boots back in the days was targeted because they felt like they were criminals. Now you try basking at the culture for try win over the people them Andrew Noseness. You're evil. You and all your cronies them. At this point, I feel like say the PNP and the JLP them work together because there is no way the PNP them can see JLP and mash up the country like this and don't step in and say, Jamaica, we're going to do everything what this person should have done. and just mash up the JLP. Eh? No, I feel like the JLP are PF, PNP. That's why I want to so cool, calm, and collected and not really give a damn for try win over nothing. Because I don't see nothing that this man has done that benefited the Jamaican people yet. I'm going to one to say, yo, you're America, you live in America, this is not nothing to do with you. Man, shut your shit, you stinking mouth. My family will still live in Jamaica. I want to be a fool. Andrew Holness, you do not care about the Jamaican people. And Rastafari, I going to burn you for that. Lava! Can we continue, DJ Mona Lisa?
Andrew Holness, it is totally inhumane.
True.
For somebody to be sick in jail and you don't make sure that they are taken care of, that they get full medical, professional guidance, care and needs.
Facts.
I haven't heard the latest news. So I hope at this time while I'm speaking that VYBZ Kartel is being taken care of.
Hopefully.
And you know, a facility in Jamaica to take care of Kartel.
Ooh.
You understand? Kartel need to be flown to Miami.
Yes.
You understand? The man, I have a heart problem.
Yep.
And if somebody as young as him have a heart problem, you must know that it is very serious.
Right.
So I don't know the blood clot here go my night time and a yam pork and I sit back and turn our remote. And not considering that time is ticking away and that Kartel need to be in a facility with the best professionals to take care of him.
Pause that real quick. Mona Lisa, aka Amari, or Amari, aka Mona Lisa, Mama, you never said something that make more sense in my life. Them don't have the facilities, them don't have the resources to perform a successful open heart surgery for VYBZ Kartel, because that's where it's leading to. Grave disease coupled with 2 heart conditions. The man have 1 heart and 2 heart conditions, and they put allegedly like the man a lie. Eh? Like the Graves disease isn't a killer in itself. Eh? Andrew Holness, it is a human rights violation. The environment we won't have in the prison. It's violation in itself. The place hot. Barely any sleeping mattress, no beds for the man them. 16 man to 1 cell. 1 cell have 1 bed, 16 man in the man them hang up them clothes, pan line and them something there. In a them cell. You can imagine how in the stink. Rat and roach. Come on now, fam. It is right. It is his right to have adequate health care. And the Jamaican people are watching you, because let's say some of us go to prison in Jamaica, we'll be doomed. Anyway, can we continue? Mona Lisa.
Because as far as I'm concerned, who's supposed to be speaking out is not speaking out, you know. Spice, you is one of them a cartel boss. Yes, you are, and it's the thing, that's the thing about me and you know, your dirty ways. When you speak, you now speak out. You know what it's like to have an emergency need. Because the other day, a helicopter fly you from Dominica to Miami when you was at Death's Gate. And now the man where warm up the doors and bust you in at the industry. Why don't you use your platform and call upon Jamaica? Or since as you a blood clot big, that's you even chosen for a Grammy. Get the Prime Minister number and call him up.
Pause that real quick before you continue, Mama. I do agree. I don't think maybe she did, but me personally never say a public outcry for VYBZ Kartel condition from Spice. But Mona Lisa, bear in mind, you don't know what's going on in the background. You don't know what's going on behind the scenes. So don't be too quick to bash. That's the thing. Because VYBZ Kartel and Spice, they do have a relationship, so you don't know what's going on. Maybe she don't want that public. You know, some people, they don't display good deeds, what they do for others. You understand? They must do things, and things just do. So, I don't really too like the ball out thing about Spice, because it's a little bit biased too. Because if you pre it, you and Spice have a little riff from a taller time. So, of course, you gotta call Spice name. Of course, you gotta bash Spice. But is it warranted? You tell me. We'll continue, Mona Lisa.
Speak on Kartel behalf. What are you doing? Well, me don't know everything. You might have give some money for lawyer or whatever, but Kartel don't need that. But your voice is very important. That's why me and you not chat. Because me did ask you to speak up for me and my children, and you refuse to speak up for them. So what the fuck are you here for as Queen of Dancehall, apart from show your pum pum on stage? And to sing all of the cock up body song them. You need to put your dirty pussy clot online and speak up for Kartel. Not just you, but the dirty bad-minded male artists them. You understand? That's when you need to do. Like Footer hype with them bad man review.
Big up Footer.
People like need to get out there. Come on the platform. Imagine the power of a lot of us coming together and say, make sure, we're not say free Kartel. We're not saying that. Yeah. We are saying make sure that he get help in regards to his health.
Yeah.
Because when the thing I go reach as far as, I wish ABC, where them name news, me go see it pan, you know. It make Jamaica look bad. Me can't understand saying a thief bolts money.
Facts.
Billions of dollars. After him elevate Jamaica to the fucking peak.
True.
You understand? I mean, never understand that.
Pause real quick. No, when it comes to the justice system and the legal system, if you do wrong in the system, they're going to treat you like a wrongdoer. VYBZ Kartel did somewhat put Jamaica out there with his music and his wonderful talent, but at the same time, Mona Lisa, the justice system isn't going to look at that when you've been convicted for murder and been accused of other murders out there. So we kind of understand why they might deal with Kartel like this, but it's not right. It is definitely not right. I agree with Mona Lisa and everything she has so far, except the bashing of other people, because you don't know what's going on in the background. You understand what I say? Go continue.
But that don't even cool down and you know make the world see how you know treating your own people. Me now have to tell the world how you know treat me, you know. Kind of treat me like dog pants thing. You know just treat me good until the plane land and everybody say the plane land and Amari reach. And after everybody say Amari reach, because people say they not buy them ticket until them say Amari reach. And then the tickets them go up online. You know, everything crash online.
Alright, I have to pause this nonsense. You're too fucking lying, not Negusa. You lie, sir, man. Everything we say come up to this right after expected machine, me like it. Except that part. You're too lie. You tell me that people them never buy a ticket until you reach Jamaica and them say you're Mama, me can sell more sting ticket than your mama. And me an artist, and nobody don't know me as an artist. You're too lie, man. God with senior, man. You're too bumbuck lie. You lie, sir.
Ask nothing.
Lie.
And then when you do, Rastla, then won't even pick me up for the show.
Whoa.
Not even pick up. Yes. So we know, say you have some heartless, dirty people in Jamaica, but it's not the poor people them. It's the bigger heads.
Yeah, man, a real talk.
Me say, come on, McGregor, give me a song. And me can't wait to go in a studio and dirty no up. Because I try to say the thing, but it now come out the right way.
Yeah.
But I'm calling on the government of Jamaica to look at the situation with VYBZ Kartel. Look into the matter. Look over the medical documents them. Call in your own medical team if you're not trustworthy.
For real.
And to get VYBZ Kartel immediate help. Immediate help. We're not talking about no lazy prisoner round here.
Yeah.
We're not just putting a prisoner and them yam food and work out. We're talking about someone who have been in jail, still making it after it, still calling upon God.
One God.
Still a motivator for children.
Yes.
And for everyone.
Yes.
You understand? Someone who don't give up.
Yes.
And I ain't no seeing one even say forgiveness.
Yeah.
If so be it. You understand? And this is somebody that is known on the international market that should not be ignored like this.
Pause this real quick. It's a terrible look for the leaders of Jamaica, right? And it's so crazy. And it's beautiful. I wouldn't say crazy. It's beautiful that VYBZ Kartel has the pulling power to go to Fox. That white lady, I don't even remember her name. The lawyer gave them the medical report about VYBZ Kartel, and they did a whole news story on this. It's a negative look on our country, right? And it shows how you care not for the people. And you see now, spiraling out of control, what happened the other day. Gunmen robbed a hotel of guests, and most of them were foreigners. It looks terrible on you. You're a horrible leader, sir. You're a horrible leader, and you're leading Jamaicans to slaughter. You are leading Jamaicans to slaughter. You don't take care of your people. You don't like your people, and it's evident how you treat your people, Mr. Holness.
Should not be disrespected like this. It should not look as if this person have done nothing for Jamaica. It should not seem as if this person is not important. Why important people around here, treat them like them is nobody? It is totally wrong. This is not anybody.
Facts.
Asking for help. This is VYBZ Kartel.
Facts.
And Mr. President and Prime Minister, you need to do something about this.
Yes, man.
One day my voice will speak up for all Jamaican in regards to the healthcare system.
Yes.
Starting from pregnant women to the elderly.
Yeah.
And of course to the people in jail. Because everyone is innocent until proven guilty.
Yes.
But within a corrupt system, the guilty is found innocent and the innocent is found guilty.
Ooh.
You get what I'm saying?
Ooh.
So this is where it begins. This is where it starts. Come me have to speak up for one of our own, somebody when me look up to, somebody who is my mentor. And somebody will give me the first break as an artist. VYBZ Kartel.
Did you hear what she said? She said in the corrupt system, the guilty is found innocent and the innocent is found guilty. That boiled down to who have the most bread ski. You remember the X5 or X6 driver will shoot up the little youth? Shot the little youth in a taxi because the taxi man bump him car. And the man got my rings off shot in the car or who dead? The little boy. What happened to that case there? Gone. Free. Free as a bird. Andrew Holness, this is how I'm going to finish this video off. You're a loser. You are a loser, Andrew Holness. Just like Obama did nothing for black people, you are doing nothing for the Jamaican people but further oppress them. You are a waste man. You are a waste man, and I can't wait to see you get out of power. And whosoever take the mantle from Andrew Holness, you better come good because the Jamaican people them are watch and we're paying attention. You don't know say One Nation and Amari Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can go to the fam. You understand? Up move! Yeah. You know, go home.